In this video, I will show you how to change graphics quality in Roblox Mobile. So as you can see, we're in a game right now and we don't have the graphics pretty high at this moment. But let's say that we want to increase the graphics, then we're going to click on the Roblox icon at the top left. And then from here, we're going to click on settings. And from settings, we're going to scroll down. And once we scroll down, we see graphics mode in here. And as you can see right now, graphics mode is set to automatic. And this means that you cannot enhance the video quality. But if you do want to enhance the video quality and you want to increase it, then you need to put graphics mode to manual. And then as you can see just down below, we have the possibility to increase the graphics quality. So you can just go ahead and click on plus a couple of times and then the quality will increase drastically. But you can also lower it by clicking on the minus icon, and once you do that, you will just actually lower the quality of your Roblox game, and you can see that really well right now. So this way you can change the graphics quality in Roblox Mobile. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.